Hello everyone, my name is Dejan and I am professional Scrum product owner and professional Scrum master, agile coach and trainer of trainers. Today we will talk about sprint goal. Before we start, can I ask you to hit the like button and to subscribe to this channel as appreciation. Thank you very much. Let's get started. The sprint goal helps the Scrum team to focus on the sprint. That is the goal that the team will achieve within the sprint throughout the implementation of the forecast product backlog items. Sprint goal also guides the developers on why it is building the product increment. A sprint goal shows the desired outcome of an iteration that provides a shared goal to the team, which has to be defined before the team starts the sprint to focus on getting this goal. In an ideal situation, every sprint should have one goal. One goal ensures that everyone is on the same page. When the team chooses their goal, they need to work to implement it. First of all, the product owner has to define a clear objective or goal of the sprint. Then the team has to build a done product increment and the stakeholders have to validate the goal and provide their feedback. And that is all for today. And remember, I'm here for you. And if you have any questions regarding this topic, please let me know in the comment section. If you want to have access to complete Agile and Scrum program for product owner and Scrum master, please check the links in the description. Thank you very much and see you in the next Agile and Scrum masterclass video. Cheers!